Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix Rockstar Launcher freezing at launch. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and search for Rockstar Games Launcher on your search bar. Right click on it and click on open file location. On the shortcut, simply do the same thing one more time. So let me just go ahead and open file location, and you're going to be on this page right over here. So you can simply go ahead and right click on the launcher, click on properties, and on security, go ahead and allow all full control, just like that, on every system that you're actually using it on. So there you go. Once you've done that, click on OK. And another thing that you want to do is click on properties, go to compatibility, and make sure that run this as an administrator is on. If it is still not working, all you want to do is simply go ahead and cleanly uninstall and reinstall it back into your PC. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.